Good afternoon, everybody. Daniel Adam here, owner of Fresh Air Duct Cleaning. We're bringing you to the Southlake location today. Going to show you all how to come over and talk with us a little bit of business. We are at the corner of Southlake Boulevard and Westwood. And when you guys get here, you just kind of go ahead right on in, take a right turn. You can park anywhere in the parking lot. I got one of our vans here now. We are building 1721, and I'm going to show you guys how to get there. Come on in and talk to us. Sign on the door, as you can see, Suite 110. Pretty close to the road, so it's an easy walk from the parking lot. Come on in. This is the lobby. We are on there again. The nice thing is we're in Suite 110, so it's very close. If you need something, there's a beverage. You can grab something out of the fridge before you walk in. And then to make it sweet and easy, we are the first door on the right. Come on in here if you want to set up an appointment. We are open 8 to 6. Myself or somebody else is in this office. And the nice thing is when you guys are discussing jobs, you will see some of the equipment we use on site. So you can get an understanding of what the technicians will be using once they're in your home. And yeah, so go ahead, feel free to get us online, call the phone number, or stop by 8 to 6, Monday through Saturday. My name is Dan Adam. Thank you all for coming. At Fresh Air, we care.